Hey everybody, this is Arianna here at Down Under Bedding, the home of natural products, sleeping products. So here I am to present you this one-of-a-kind pillows. Look at it, so soft. It's Hungarian duck down, white duck down pillow, super soft, just amazing. It can even fold double because it's so soft, like it's crazy stuff. And also the feeling, it's actually this, so you can see it, how it actually looks. This is crazy stuff. The shell, super soft too, like everything. Just with the thing, the Down Under Bedding yellow label, the quality assurance blue tag, like anything. Like come here and Down Under Bedding and get the pillow because we're gonna have more, but this is mine.